stay very alert in defense. That's a Kraget Olympics come forward, but that's a long telling pass. Gets to its intended target as well. There's Matthew. It's a push from the back. Well, if you ask me, it looks like a lot more trickery. He just could not get to the ball. Agama controlled. And then from that push, he knew that it was going to be difficult getting to the ball. And so he went down in the process. He wins a free kick. Smart thinking. Elects himself to effect it. That's Agama's free kick. Swung in nicely. Oh! He has been pushing forward since the game began, and Raymond Oko Grippman has been rewarded with a goal. And look at the quick reaction from the Accra Great Olympics faithful in the VIP box. Frederick Asare completely beaten. Asare was let loose, and it's all joy and smiles on the face of the youngster. Raymond Oko Grippman is the name. Matthew Abayase did well. He got another opportunity to drill the ball in. And up came Oko Grippman, out jumping everybody in the 18-yard box. Planted it on the blind side of Frederick Asare, who did not move or make an attempt.